weed smokers at? Weed smokers, clap your hands. Don't be ashamed. Clap your damn hands. Thank you. Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Clap your damn hands. I like this crowd. A lot of times people don't want to clap their hands. Listen here, people. We adults. I don't judge nobody. If you smoke weed, smoke. As long as you do your daily functions and pay your bills, go ahead and smoke. Ain't nothing wrong with that shit. I think weed should be legal. I do. Thank you very much. That's right. And I'm not just saying that because I started to think about it, y'all. Weed is safer than alcohol. Am I lying, y'all? Come in. How many people you heard in the car accident and smoked the joint? Nobody. People that drink and drive, it impairs your business. That's why they got that group mad. Mothers just drunk drivers. You can't operate a vehicle intoxicated. You swerving down the street, driving on the sidewalk, running into shit, smoking a joint, won't shit happen to you. My man here, how far y'all live from the Comedy Club? How long you drive?
5 miles.
About 5 miles? Maybe about 5 minutes depending on traffic. I bet you smoke a joint before you leave the house, it takes you 2 hours to get your ass. Keep me on the street driving 5 miles an hour. This might be like, baby, hurry up, we got reservations at the Comedy Club. You're like, shit, Comedy Club ain't going nowhere. Shit, we get there, and the planes and shit on out.